Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing a bearing lubrication on that fan up above me, the hugger, the one to the right. I'm going to pull the light kit down, take the fan down. Poppy, can you get out of the shed? I'm just going to shut the door real quick. Okay, so let's get the light kit down. I only have one screw holding this light up. This is my only fan that has a light kit. I just lost a screw. Fuck. No! Oh shit. Phone doesn't have a crack in it, that's good. I just dropped the light kit and the screw. Well, that screw is definitely gone. That was close. Just about wrecked the entire video. That light kit fine. This way you should always be careful. I dropped this light kit. Gladly it doesn't have any light bulbs in it. Or I would be gonna put that on top of that fluorescent light. I'm gonna pause the video so I can get the motor shroud down. Alright, let me just get the motor shroud down. My beautiful fan motor. Those bearings definitely need to be done. Put this over on that light. Oh. I've done two mistakes in this video. So I just taken the fan down. Boom. The fan doesn't have any blades. They got thrown out. One broke and they got thrown out. Even with the blade arms, they got thrown out too. This is my mounting bracket. I'm going to tighten that up. Check it up. Do some check-ups. I'm going to put this on top of that light. I'm going to pull that light down eventually. I'm going to build a shelf that I can put the fan parts on when I'm working. Let me tighten these. So, even though the fan has no blades, I like to have the fan tight. So, you know, I do spin them up without the blades on just to keep the bearings in good.